Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and share my videos. Today we are making a potatoes recipe, guys, and I also want to tell you that if you love potatoes, this is the right video for you. I think it's always great for you to try different ways of making a particular dish. I don't know if you feel that way, but we are going to be baking this recipe. So let's start. So with this recipe, we are slicing the ingredients of the fillings, because I will have to use some meat in this recipe, cow grounded meat. I first of all slice the onions and then the bell pepper and the sweet pepper. Okay, you can use whatever veggies you want for this recipe. You don't have to use the one I use, okay, but you can still use the one I use because this was really delicious. Add some green onions as well, you know, for the flavor. It's very important. So in a warm fry pan, put in some butter and allow it to melt. Then you can now put in some garlic. Garlic is very necessary. It gives this flavor that just make the meal go wild. Then put some onions, all the chopped ingredients. Okay, I started with the onions first, then later on I added the bell pepper and the sweet pepper and just stir for some time. You can leave it for like 2 minutes, then later on you add the grounded meat. Okay, it's grounded red meat I'm using for this recipe, and just keep stirring and stirring until everything is incorporated into the meat. Okay, the vegetables, like I'm doing in the video. After stirring, I put on some black pepper, chili, some honey sauce and some sour sauce to make it taste better. And then later on I added a bit of salt to make it tasty. Okay, so I just stir and voila, it was ready. So put that aside and then come to the potatoes. I'm going to peel these potatoes, then later on chop them into some really good slice like I'm doing in the video right now. Slice the carrot as I am doing in the video as well. In an empty fry pan, put in some oil. You can use any oil of your type, olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want. And then put the potatoes and stir fry this. Okay, stir fry this and put a little bit of salt and continue to stir fry, and then later on cover and let it sit for like 2 minutes. Then stir fry again and cover and let it sit for like 2 minutes. Then stir fry again and cover until it is half cooked. It's very important that it's half cooked before you take it out. Then don't forget to add the carrot and just continue with this process. So I decided to add a bit of black pepper for the flavor. I also really like putting black pepper on anything I make. I just believe that it gives the food, it gives the dish the vibes. Okay, there is half cooked and ready to take it out. In an empty bowl, crack some 4 eggs. I'll be using no spice and a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, then mix together until it's even. Later you add the fried potatoes. Remember the half cooked fried potatoes that we made earlier, and just mix everything until it's even. So I'm using this bake pan So on you can actually place like a paper under, like I just did, before you put the baked potatoes. Then put a bit of cheese and add the filling that we made earlier, and then put some cheese again and put the remaining potatoes, then bake it in a preheated oven for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. After, take it out, put some cheese and let it bake again for like 5 to 10 minutes. Wow, take a look. It looks so delicious and I can't wait to unveil this. So I just like take out the bake pan and look at how delicious it look. So I decided to go with a little bit of sprinkling. This is green onions, but you can use parsley if you have it at home for this. Okay, I love the way it turned out, and let's just try to dish this and see how it looks, guys. Look at it, it looks super amazing, and I was so hungry. I couldn't wait to start digging in, guys, and believe me, it was super delicious. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, click to the notification bell so that each time I upload you will be the very first to be notified. And thank you very much for watching my videos and always coming back to